Welcome to today. It's April 29th. We're going to look at 8.3 surface area of pyramids. So if you will get your paper from your packet for math, this is 8.3 surface area. On the bottom it should say page 298. We're going to take a look at that today, look at the online tutorial, and then I'll have you practice number 1 on the bottom of page 298. So this is what the lesson looks like. It gives you a definition. A regular pyramid is a pyramid whose base is a regular polygon. The lateral faces are triangles. The height of each triangle is the slant height of the pyramid. So I'm going to show you the online tutorial. But if you look on your page that you have the same example in front of you as well. And so for example 1, it says find the surface area of the regular pyramid. And so first you can draw a net. The area of the base is 5 times 5, which equals 25. And then you're going to find the area of each lateral face, which would be half times 5 times 8. And then find the sum of the areas of the base and the lateral faces. So surface area is area of the base plus area of the lateral faces. The area of the base again being 25, and then each lateral face is 20, so you would add 4 of them because you have 4 lateral faces. There are 4 identical lateral faces, so count the area 4 times to get 105. So the surface area is 105 square inches. Let's take a look at the tutorial.
Find the surface area of the regular pyramid. A regular pyramid is a pyramid whose base is a regular polygon. The lateral faces are triangles. So to find the surface area of our regular pyramid, first let's draw a net of the solid. A net is a two-dimensional representation of our solid. So to create the net, we can open up the pyramid and draw it as if it was flat. So the net should look like this. So now that we have the net, we can find the area of each of the figures that make up the net. So first let's find the area of the base, which is this center polygon. To find the area, we multiply 3 times 3. So we have a square as the base, and 3 times 3 is 9. So now that we have the area of the base, let's find the area of one of the lateral faces. Remember, the lateral face is a triangle. So to find the area of a triangle, we have 1/2 times the base, which is 3 inches, times the height, which is labeled as 6 inches. So we have 1/2 times 3 times 6, which gives us 9. Now this is all we need to find the surface area, S, of a regular pyramid. Because the surface area S is equal to the area of the base plus the areas of the lateral faces. So let's go ahead and substitute in what we know. We found the area of the base is 9. And then we add the areas of the lateral faces. So we found our lateral face area is 9. But remember, it says the areas of the lateral faces, and there are 4 lateral faces, all with the same dimensions. So that means the area of each lateral face is 9. So we need to add 9 4 times. So now we have the area of the base, 9, plus the areas of the 4 lateral faces, which is 9 plus 9 plus 9 plus 9. So now when we add the 5 9s together, that gives us 45. So that means the surface area of the regular pyramid is 45 square inches.
I wanted to point out too that when you are solving this part right here, the area of the lateral face, what I do, which is easier or might be an option, is that you could also, instead of putting one half here, you could substitute 0.5 as it means the same. So I know there's a couple of different ways to solve this. So you could solve it 0.5 times 3 times 6, and you're still going to get 9. So back to, again, the paper that you have, I'm going to ask you again, you can review example 1. And then I'm going to ask you to complete the on your own example on the bottom of page 298. And as you see here, it says, what is the surface area of a square pyramid with a base side length of 9 centimeters and a slant height of 7 centimeters? So what you're going to do is you can look at example 1, and then you're going to replace, instead of 5, you're going to put 9. And then for the slant height, instead of 8, you're going to put 7. And then again, follow the steps. Try your best on this again using the example. When you're finished with today's example, I'm going to ask you to go on IXL for 15 minutes, and I would like you to practice your choice of different skills. When you go on IXL, type in grade 8 math, and your login information is in packet 3. If you have lost that, then please, please, please email me and I'll share that with you. But you'll type in grade 8 math, and I'd like you to choose various different skills. I have starred some of the skills as just suggestions, but you don't have to go to those starred areas. You can choose, again, various different skills to practice. So take at least 15 minutes to do that today, or longer if you would like to. If you do have any questions, again, have your parents email me, and I can respond back through email or give you a call. Again, I hope that you all have a great day. Try your best with everything that you're doing each day, and I will talk to you soon.